So again, while waiting for your other classmates, we can prepare for our dictation. You can get one piece of paper or in your notebook and write your name and student number. Okay. Don't forget to write your name. Okay. Maybe we can start. Okay. I will start to share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. So once again, I'd like to welcome you all today in our school, Sarasasa Motsarn. And I am your teacher, Teacher Carla Circolado. And today I will be teaching the subject Science for M.2. How are you, students? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So glad to hear that you're all okay. I'm okay too. So I think we can start our lesson. Okay. So first, we will have our vocabulary words. I will read the word twice, then please repeat after me. Okay, so the first word is Mercury. Mercury. Again,
Mercury. Mercury.
very good. Everybody needs to read, okay? The second word,
Okay.
Venus. Venus.
Winners. Winners.
Very good. Next, Earth. Earth.
Earth. Earth.
Very good. Next, planet. Planet.
Planet. Planet.
Very good. Next, frozen. Frozen.
Frozen. Frozen.
Very good. Lastly, furnace. Furnace.
Furnace. Furnace.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we will have now our dictation. I use the words that we just read on our vocabulary. Okay, we will do the anagram dictation or the scramble game. Okay, you need to unscramble the letters to get the correct word. Okay. Are you ready, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have your paper, your notebook, and let's begin. The first word, please spell the word Mercury. Mercury. Okay, you can get the word if you unscramble the letters. Mercury. Okay, next, number 2. Unscramble the word or unscramble the letters earth. Earth. Number 3, unscramble the letters and spell the word frozen. Frozen. Okay, so let's try to check the answers. Get your red pen for checking. If you got the correct word, then put 1. But if you're not correct, you need to copy the correct word beside your answer. Okay, let's try to unscramble the letters. Okay. Okay, the first word, Mercury. Okay, letter M. What is the next letter?
E.
Okay, next.
A.
Okay, then.
C.
Okay, and we put the R. Okay, perfect. Okay, everybody, let's read and spell together. Mercury.
Mercury.
M E
M E
R C
C
U
R Y.
Mercury. Very good. So Mercury is a planet. It is the closest planet to the sun. Okay, again, it's Mercury. Very good. Okay, let's move on to our second word. Let's unscramble the letter. What is the first letter? Number 2, Earth.
E.
Okay,
E.
letter E. Next,
A
A.
A. Next.
R
A.
Okay, so we got it
T H
correctly. Very good. So again, let's read and spell together. Earth.
Earth.
Let's spell Earth. E.
E A R T H. Earth.
Very good. So Earth is our home planet, okay? That can support all the living things. Okay, that is Earth. Okay, now let's move on to our last word, which is frozen. Okay, what is the first letter?
F
Okay, next.
R O.
Okay, R-O. Then,
C E.
very good. We put the E here. Okay, so we got the correct spelling. Again, let's read and spell together. Frozen.
Frozen.
Spell it. F.
F.
F
A.
R
O.
O C N. Frozen.
Frozen. Okay, so when you say frozen, it is a past participle of freeze. Meaning, like the water, it can become frozen or thick, solid when the temperature is very cold. Okay, again, frozen. Okay, so before moving on to our topic, let's have the question first. Okay, for this question, we will use the wheel of names. Let's spin the wheel to get the first question. So the first question that we will answer on our topic is, what is the second planet in distance from the sun? Okay, so we will find out the answer later on our topic. Okay. Sige, our topic for today is in Unit 3, the 8 planets. So now we move on to planets. We have finished discussing the galaxies, the Milky Way, and our solar system. So now we are moving on to the 8 planets. Please open your books on page 42. Okay, get your science book in Matayom 2 and open it on page 42. Okay, so while you're getting your books, I have prepared another video for our topic for today. Okay. So let's watch first the video, the short video. Okay, let's try to watch
And
the
do you
video.
know what that is? That is our galaxy, and it's called the Milky Way.
Okay. Okay, so stop the video. Class. So Pitsara, did you hear the sound of the video?
Yes.
Okay. So we will review together with that video and our book. Okay, so we will review some basic and important details about the planets. Okay, I will open first the video. Okay, you can prepare your books together with your pen. Okay, so you can also write in your books or in your notebook the important information or extra or additional information that we can use to remember for our exercise or exam. Okay, we will use that information. Okay, so let's get back to our books, which is on page 42. Okay, so we have already discussed in our previous topic that in the Milky Way, the Earth and other planets moving around the sun is called the solar system. Also, this is the sun. The sun is in the center. Okay? So the Earth together with the other planets, they are moving around the sun and it's called the solar system. So in that solar system, we have 8 planets. Okay? So the Earth together with the other planets moving around the sun is called the solar system, and we have 8 planets. Okay? So we will first talk about the first planet, which is Mercury. Okay, everybody, please repeat after me. Mercury.
Mercury.
Very good. So this is Mercury. Okay. So it says, you can see in your book, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Is the closest planet to the sun.
Is the closest planet to the sun.
Okay, please highlight and underline in your book. Okay, so this is the Mercury. This is Mercury and this is the sun. It is the first planet closest to the sun. Okay? Okay, so this is the solar system, and this is the Earth together with other planets moving around the sun. This is Mercury. Okay, this is Mercury. Okay, so the second bullet, it says that the temperature is high as 430 degrees Celsius and low as negative 180 degrees Celsius. So that is the temperature in Mercury. Okay, Mercury is also called the frozen furnace. Okay, it means because in Mercury, there is no atmosphere. Okay? There is no atmosphere and it can go as low as negative 180 degrees Celsius. Okay? Imagine the temperature can go down to 180 degrees Celsius. That's why it can be frozen. Okay? Very, very cold. That's why it's called the frozen furnace. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. This is the smallest planet and the fastest planet that can go around the sun. Okay? It can spin the fastest. Okay, that is Mercury. Okay, let's ask again. What do you call the Earth together with other planets that is moving around the sun? What do you
Solar
call?
system.
Okay, very good. Okay, what is the planet closest to the sun?
Mercury.
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 Okay. What is the smallest and fastest planet? What is the smallest and fastest planet that can spin around the sun? Tanapan, what is the smallest planet? What is
Mercury.
Mercury? Okay, remember that you can write also in your notebook or in your book. If it's not in your book, you can write in your notebook. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so if you're finished writing and underlining, now let's move on to the second planet, which is Venus. Everybody, Venus.
Venus.
Okay, let me just close this first. Okay, Venus. Okay, so follow with me in your book. Okay, so Venus is the second in distance from the sun. Everybody repeat after me. Is the second in distance from the sun.
Is the second in distance from the sun.
Okay, very good. So as you can see in the video, it is number 2. Okay, because it's the second planet nearest to the sun. Okay, first Mercury, then second is Venus. Okay, Venus is also called the Earth's twin. Okay, so Earth and Venus, they said that it's called the Earth's twin because they have similar in shape or size. They have similar in size, okay? And they are closest with each other. Okay, so this is Venus and this is Earth. So they are neighbor planets. That's why it's called Earth's twin. Okay? And it's also said that Venus is the hottest planet of all. Okay, so we can see in the video the temperature in Venus goes very high because Venus is the hottest planet because of the atmosphere in Venus is mainly carbon dioxide. Okay, so we know that carbon dioxide is the chemical that traps the heat in the planet. So it cannot release the air or the atmosphere in the planet. That's why it traps the heat inside the planet. That's why Venus is very, very hot. Okay, the hottest planet. Okay, and the temperature is as high as, can go up as high as 500 degrees Celsius. So it's very, very hot. So it means when the planet is very hot, we cannot live. Okay, we cannot survive living in Venus. It's inhabitable. Okay. Also, Venus doesn't have moon. Okay, it does not have moon. And Venus is also known as the brightest planet among the planets. Okay, it is the brightest planet. Okay. Even if Venus is the second planet closest to the sun, it's still the hottest planet because of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so if you understand, let's ask some question. Again, what is the second distance planet from the sun?
Venus.
Venus. Okay, why is Venus called Earth's twin? How about Tanawat? Tanawat? Okay, how about Waranya? Why is Venus called the Earth's twin? Ratichat. Because they have the same
size and same closest.
okay, same size and they are closest with each other. Remember, the Earth or Venus, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Okay, so they are closest with each other. They have almost the same or similar size. That's why it's called the Earth's twin. Okay, very good. Again, what is the hottest planet of all? What is the hottest and brightest planet of all? How about Murijanun? Tiansuan. Venus. Okay, very good. Remember, please highlight and underline in your books, okay? Don't forget to highlight and underline in your books. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, now let's move on to our third planet. Okay. So the third, okay, let's answer first the question. Okay, I think we already answered the question that the second planet in distance from the sun is called Venus. Okay, now let's move on to our next planet, which is the Earth. Okay, everybody, Earth.
Earth.
Okay, so you know that we live here on Earth. Okay, that is our home. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, so if you see in your books, if you see in your books, Earth is the third planet away from the sun. Okay, Earth also is the only planet perfect for all living things. Earth is also called the blue planet. And Earth, it spins counterclockwise. Okay, please highlight and underline also in your books. Okay, so first, the Earth is the third planet away from the sun. So Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. That's why it's number 3. Okay, it's the third planet away from the sun. Next, it is the only planet perfect for all living things. So we can see in planet, we have a perfect atmosphere. Okay, we have oxygen, we have the right amount of carbon dioxide. So we have many living things or organisms that can survive here on Earth. Okay, so we have the animals, we have the plants, and of course, humans. Okay, and of course, it is also called the blue planet because of the water. So we know that the Earth, it is covered, it's 3/4 of water. So the Earth are covered 3/4 of water. Okay, please highlight and underline in your books. Okay. And also, the planet or the Earth, it spins, one spin of planet, it is 24 hours. Okay. So that's why when Earth spins, we have night and day. Okay. So when Earth spins, it gives us night and day. Okay, so when planet or when the Earth spins for 24 hours, it gives us night and day. And we know that the moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Okay, the moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. When the Earth faces the moon, it gives us night. But when the Earth faces the sun, it gives us day. Okay, so just remember that. Again, what when the Earth spins for one day, how many hours it spins in one day?
24 hours.
Very good.
24 hours.
Okay, so when Earth faces the sun, what it gives us, day or night? When Earth faces the sun, what it gives us, day or night?
Day.
Day. Okay,
Day.
very good. Okay, so just remember that and also highlight and underline or write it in your book. Okay, so I think we have to move on. So let's see the question again using our wheel of names. So the question is, what planet is the closest planet to the sun? What is the answer? What
Mercury.
planet?
Mercury.
Mercury. Okay, very good. So for today, we will just discuss the 3 planets, okay? So now let's answer the exercise. This is your exercise in life worksheet, the Earth and beyond. Okay, so the first is you have to choose the answer and you have to read the questions, of course. Okay. Then some of it you have to choose true or false and you have to drag the words to the correct statement. Okay. You have to read it and you have to drag the correct word. Okay. This is all what we discussed today, but we focus more on Earth and beyond. Okay. For next week, for our exercise, I will do a short exercise for all the topics that we already discussed. Okay. So this is the activity for today. So just drag some of the planets. And when you finish, you know what to do. You click the finish. Okay. So the number is until number 8. Okay. So just click the finish to get the correct answer. Okay. So now we will do our summary first. Let's do the match up summary. Okay. We will use the word wall and match up. We have to drag and drop each keyword or picture to the right question or definition. Okay? Okay, let's begin. Okay, number 1, we can have Samod. So Pitsara, number 1, what is the only planet that is perfect for all living things?
Earth.
Okay, Earth. Okay, so number 2, let's have Tanapan. Earth is covered with 3/4 of water. That's why it is called blank. Okay, Earth is covered with 3/4 of water. That's why it is called, is it blue planet, frozen furnace, Venus, or Mercury? What is the answer? Tanapan. Earth is covered with 3/4 of water. That's why it's called, you look at the Earth. Okay, anyone can answer? Tiansuan, what's the answer?
Blue planet.
Okay, blue planet. Let's see. Okay, so for number 3, let's have Ratichat. What is the closest planet to the sun? Ratichat. Is it frozen furnace, Venus, or Mercury? Okay, anyone? What is the
Mercury.
okay, Mercury. Mercury, let's put Mercury. Okay, number 4. What is the planet that is called the Earth's twin? Earth's twin. What is the answer? So it's okay, Tanapan. Earth's twin is
Frozen
Venus.
for
No. Venus, okay? Read your books. We already discussed in your books. Then the last one, Mercury has no air to hold the heat. That's why people called it the, what's the answer?
Frozen
Frozen.
furnace.
Okay, very good. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's submit and let's see. Okay, it's all correct answer. Good job. Okay, so I will send the link. That's all for our discussion for today. I will send the link for your exercise so you can do it in live worksheet, okay? So I will now stop sharing. Okay. Because we are running out of time also. Okay, so I will copy the link to the exercise and send it here. Okay, so I have now sent the link for your exercise in live worksheet. Please check it out. Okay, everybody, can you open your camera so we can take a photo first because our time is running out. Come on, open your camera so I can take a photo. Okay, everybody. Okay, how about the other? Warit you Praset, Tanawat, Tiensuan, Waranya. Open your camera. Okay, so can you see the exercise? So Pitsara, can you see the exercise that I send?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So everybody, you can click the link on the chat box, okay? And you can answer that and take a photo when you finish and send to me in line. Okay? So we have about 30 seconds now. So get the link. But if you are not able to get the link, just message me privately. Okay? Do you have any questions on our topic for today? Do you have any questions, class? Okay, so I guess no questions. Again, thank you so much, everybody, before we end the video call. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you again on our second meeting, okay? Thank you. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, I will end the call. Thank you.